Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have created the C# Razor begin form for the user registration form. In this video, we are going to render all the other fields with the help of C# Razor code. Okay, this is the C# begin form. Now we need to convert this in Razor form, like we are using this input, but when we are working with C# Razor, we can use built-in classes. Like for the input, simply input, what I will do, I will bind a model with it. So how I can bind the model? Just create a model and add the reference in the top. Okay, let me stop the execution and create the exact model like the table which we have created in the video. Okay, so come out from the view, in the model, create, add and class, and here you need to create a class security registration, security user registration class. Okay, so we have public name, simply public string name, and create get set, and then here we have some fields. Let me refresh the tables. Okay, here we have columns, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns. Okay, here we have 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we have their names, like email and address, in the last we have password, username, country, city, and here we have city. Okay, here is the model. Now I am going to add this model reference with the help of this namespace under this registration form. So on the top I will use add model. Here is the reference of models or the namespace dot the name of our class, and here we can use like this. Okay, use the M of model in the small letter. Okay, here we have added that class. Now go to the sign up. For individual field we are going to use HTML dot text box 4, which will represent for which variable we are going to create a field. Like here you can see at HTML dot text box 4. Okay, we are going to assume there is a virtual variable available. Any variable you can use model A, B, C, X, Y, Z. It will automatically bind with the model reference which you have added upon the top of this view. Okay, I'm going to add simple M is equal, which is representing a virtual model, instance of a model. M lambda is equal of M dot name. Now in this syntax I am representing that create input fields for the variable of name. Okay, and after the comma I can add these classes. Okay, how I can create these classes? Comma, new, and here I have to add class is equal, and copy this class and paste that here, and now remove this code. Okay, now once again refresh the application. Okay, the application is stopped because I have stopped the application for creation of a model. Okay, now we have created a model and bind single attribute of model with our current view. Okay, so when this view is rendered, we can cross check by click on create an account and right click here, and here you can inspect the same HTML code is written here on behalf of this razor code. Okay, let me add some placeholder. So how I can add placeholder? Simply copy this, comma, paste here, and use @ sign here. Now the placeholder will automatically rendered within the razor code. Okay, and now you can see how it's look like. Now you have to implement the same structure in all the fields, and you can make all the fields according to the razor C# razor form. And then in the next video we will move onward for the submission of the form. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.